In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email link in a MailChimp campaign. Whether you're reaching out to your audience for feedback, customer support, or a business inquiry, adding an email link makes it easy for your subscribers to connect with you directly. It's a small yet powerful detail that can enhance your email campaigns and improve user interaction. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to seamlessly add an email link to your MailChimp campaign design. So let's dive right in and get started. The first step is to log into your MailChimp account. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a range of options and tools available to manage your email marketing campaigns. From here, locate and click on the Campaigns tab. This is where all your existing campaigns are stored, and it's the starting point for making any edits or updates. Next, find the specific campaign you want to work with. You can either scroll through your list of campaigns or use the search bar if you're managing several at once. Once you've located the campaign you want to edit, click on it to open the campaign's details page. Now it's time to make changes to the design. To do this, click on the Edit Design button. This will take you into the campaign editor, where you'll be able to see the different sections of your email layout and make adjustments as needed. Once in the editor, navigate to the text block where you want to insert the email link. Text blocks are the areas in your email where your written content lives, and you'll want to make sure you're in the specific block that's relevant to your link. When you've found the right section, click into the text block to enable editing. Now that you're in edit mode, highlight the text or object you want to turn into an email link. This could be a phrase like "contact us," or even a call to action like "email support here." Highlighting it ensures that the link is applied to the exact text or object you select. With your text or object highlighted, look for the toolbar that appears above your text block. Click on the link icon in the toolbar. This is usually represented by a small chain link symbol, and it's the tool you'll use to add your email link. When you click the link icon, a pop-up window will appear. This is the Insert or Edit Link menu, where you'll configure the details of your link. In the Link to drop-down menu, select the option labeled Email Address. This tells MailChimp that you're creating a link specifically for email purposes. Next, enter the desired email address in the provided field. This will be the address your subscribers will contact when they click the link. Double-check that the email address is spelled correctly to avoid any issues later on. If you'd like, you can also add a subject line and body message. These optional fields allow you to pre-fill the subject and content of the email your subscribers will send. For example, you might include a subject line like "Inquiry from Newsletter Subscriber" or a brief message in the body to help provide context. Adding these details is entirely up to you, but it can save your subscribers a step and make their experience more seamless. Once you've filled out the necessary fields and adjusted any optional settings, click Insert to finalize your email link. You'll see that the highlighted text or object in your text block is now clickable, indicating that the email link has been successfully added. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click Save and Close to exit the text block editor and ensure your updates are applied to the campaign. And that's it. You've successfully added an email link to your MailChimp campaign. Now, when your subscribers receive your email, they'll be able to click the link and send an email directly to you with ease. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.